Good day, ladies and gents. Welcome to BK Mathematics. And this question was given by one of my followers on Facebook right away here. Now, to solve this one, I just decided to solve this for everybody to see. Okay. Now it reads: in a class of 40 students, 30 read mathematics and 20 read English. Each student reads at least one subject. At least one subject. How many students read both mathematics and English? Okay, I'm going to use two approaches to solve this one. First, solution. Now let's try to collect data. Now in a class of 40 students, this is the universal set. So this is the universal set. We have the universal set. You can say this is the universal set. You are giving it as 40 now, and 30 read mathematics. You see the number of students that read math. There are 40, there are 30, and 20 read English. Number of students that read English. English 20. Each student read at least one subject. How many students read both mathematics and English? Now, let's see the number of students that read both math. We say math intercept English becomes, let's say it is X. So now let's see the number of students that read both math and English becomes X. Okay. Now from this, the first thing, if you want, you can draw your Venn diagram. You can represent this information in Venn diagram. You will have the same answer. Now let's try to represent it in a Venn diagram form. Now Venn diagram, since there are two sets, that is math set and English set, we draw two diagrams. Let's just have patience to draw. You draw your two like this way. We draw something like this. We draw something like this. Then from this, and we have our rectangle. If you want to use this method, it's fine. If you want to use it also, it's fine. Okay. Now from this, we already, this is, let's say this is math and this is English. We already express in it as this is the point where the two sets meet. It means it's already been represented as X. Then for math, you have 30 students. Now if you want to have for math only, you say 30 minus X. So 30 minus X. For English, you have 20, so 20 minus X. Now to find the value of X, because if we have the value of X, automatically we have already arriving at our point, because the question says we have to find the number of students that read both math and English. Now to have that one, what I used to do, we just need to add whatever we are seeing here, we add and we equate it to the universal set, that is 40. Now let's try. We say 30 minus X plus X plus 20 minus X, then everything becomes 14. Okay. Now let's add and subtract where necessary. Minus X plus X is 0. Now we have 30 plus 20 giving us 50 minus X becomes 14. Then minus X is equals 40 minus 15. Then minus X is equals minus 10 by minus by minus. So then the value of X here becomes, the value of X becomes 10 respectively. So it means there are 10 students that offering both mathematics and English at the same time, or there are 10 students that reads both math and English. Okay, so this is the first approach. Now let's look at the alternative method. Maybe you want to try the alternative method. This is alternative. Alternatively, now we can see let's use the alternatively. The union of the number of students, that is math union English, is equal to number of math plus number of English minus number of math intercept English. Okay, from this way you substitute now. What's the number of math union English? So you are giving it right away as 40. This equals number of students that offering math. You are giving it as 30. From the question, it is 30 plus English is given as 20 minus this. We are already letting it to be x. Then we say 40 is equal. This is 50 minus x. Okay, now this is moving. You have 40 minus 50. This is equal minus x. Now we have minus 10 is equal minus x. Then dividing both sides by minus, then the value of x here becomes 10 respectively also. So you can see the alternative method. So it means there are 10 students that offering both mathematics and English, or there are 10 students that grades both mathematics and English at the same time. Thank you for watching. Make sure you share, comment, like for everybody to benefit. Love you more.